ako. Ang boss also selling Aloha. Idol Borong number 4. Coming up, number 8, El Bimbo. Number 2, Sauvignon. Side choices, Carefree Treasure and Speed Admiral. Idol Borong still outside, bringing forward without the rider. E.G. Reyes. Now finally inside, anytime now, race number 1. All set now, ready to race. Race number 1 here, Santa Ana Park, Naik, Cavite. The favorite, My Treasure. And the race is on. Aloha, El Bimbo, Carefree Treasure, Idol Borong, My Treasure, and moving up by the rally Sauvignon. It's now Aloha, followed by Sauvignon.